The VIP market scanner is powerful. All you have to do is add it to your chart and start using it instantly. It's extremely simple to use even for beginners. It shows you where to buy, where to sell, as well as telling you where to take profit, stop loss, and entry price. It does all the work for you, finding you the most profitable trades. It also comes with many different features which you can customize and change and edit for yourself. Here are last week's profits. Here you can see $600 right from this buy trade, another $256 from this trade, and as you can see right here, another trade of $818 profit made. This is the power of the VIP market scanner. This indicator is truly revolutionary. It's very easy to use for anyone. Get started right now and start in under 1 minute.